Hi everyone, I'm Shiv Pranay. So today I'm going to explain about the project which I have worked on, a real-time chat API system. The main goal was to allow users to create and join chat rooms and exchange messages in real time and handle notifications when users are offline. So I implemented it using JWT-based authentication and room management and message retrieval socket.io for real-time communication and Redis for caching and bull MQ for background notification processing. Also added automated tests and prepared a demo script to verify the main user flow. So for starting the application, we can use like npm run do and npm run worker. What basically happens is like we are having two process running here. So the first one is API and WebSocket server, and the second one is a background worker that processes the asynchronous jobs. So I created a small PowerShell demo script, so I don't have to manually enter all the API commands during the video. So it handles the basic setup automatically. So the script will have like registers Alice and Bob's, and Alice creates a rooms and Bob join the rooms and the real-time message offline at that mention. See, as you can see, registering Alice and logging it, and the same goes with Bob and logging Bob and created an login like room was created successfully and Bob joined the room successfully. So the authenticated and Alice plus Bob was authenticated and the room was created and Bob joined the room. So starting the message. So let's enter the offline mode. Alice sending the red Bob. So so this is the things happening here. So when first the script authenticates two users Alice and Bob using JWT, and the generated token are then used to access the protected chat APIs. Next, the Alice creates an engineer login chat room and Bob joins the room. This demonstrates the room creation and membership flow. So now I will demonstrate the main real-time feature like both Alice and Bob connected to the server were using their JWT tokens, right. When Alice sends a message, Bob receives it immediately. And Bob receives it immediately through socket.io without refreshing the application. As you can see, Alice is connected via the WebSocket and Bob is also connected to the WebSocket, and Alice sending a message. So as Bob is in offline, so Alice is sending it and the message was sent. So this shows that the message is being broadcast in the real time between connected users, and we have seen the offline notification flow. So the Bob is offline, so Alice sends a message, mentions Bob. So instead of processing the notification directly inside the API request, the application creates a background job, which is bull MQ makes places the job in the queue and the worker processes asynchronously. So the worker has successfully consumed the job and processed the notification. So let's do the automated testing. So apart from the manual demo, I have automated the tests for the main API and real-time functionalities. I run this using npm test row to verify that the implemented behavior continues to work correctly. As everything is containerized, if you just run a command docker minus docker compose up hyphen build, so it runs the application along with the Postgres SQL, Redis, and the API server, and the background worker has separated services. So overall, this task helped me work with services background concepts together like REST APIs, JWT authentication, socket.io for real-time communication, and Redis caching, both MQ background processing, and Docker. The main flow I demonstrated was creating a chat room and joining users, sending a real-time message, and processing an offline notification through the background worker. I also verified the implementation using the automation testing, right? So this is completely everything about the project. So thank you for watching.